Alright guys, how you doing? Welcome back to this back at me. I have this 2012 Acura MDX. I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the replace the alternator, generator, whatever you want to call it. This is the second generation. That will be from 2010 to 2013. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to do this, right? Like a big dog. Come on, let's go, let's get it. You know how to support the channel. Like, share, comment, anything you want to say about this car, how you like it, all that, put in the comment box. As a return of kindness, hit the super thanks button. Do your part, show your love. Do your part, show your love. Do your thing, alright? Let's get it, let's do it. Shout out to my subscribers. Love you all. Pause. Yeah. Here, flat screwdriver. Turn it counterclockwise. Okay. Should do it. That's how you remove the cover. Now here. First of all, I'm gonna disconnect the battery. You can do the ground or the power. Either of those should do it. 10 millimeters. Here. I'm gonna hide it around here. That should do it. Here we're gonna remove these clips. With this. Alright, that's how you're gonna remove it. We proceed to remove it. Now I'm gonna remove the steering, power steering fluid. Okay, reservoir. And the coolant reservoir. There's a clip for the coolant reservoir. And it's up to you if you want to do this 10 millimeter or just unclip it. Okay, just push it back. Also gonna do this 10 millimeter for the AC. 10 millimeter. Okay. Pull it up. Go. Right. Now here, if you see this pulley right here, that's a tensioner. Okay. It looks like a 14 millimeter. We're gonna grab it so we can remove the serpentine belt. Okay. Right, you see this? There's a coolant reservoir. We're gonna remove this hose, or even better, just remove this. Put it to the side. This steering reservoir, put it to the side, and we're gonna remove coolant reservoir. Oh yeah, perfect. So we have more space. Okay, you see it. You know what's up. Now I can reach better that pulley. Alright, as you can see, I have this bar in a shallow meter socket. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push it that way. You see it? That's when you remove the serpentine belt. That's what we're gonna do. Just that, remove this. Now that we remove the belt, this is our guy, the alternator. Now this thing we're going to put it to the side again, right there. Just we're going to disconnect the alternator. There's one over here and this one over here. Okay. Meter socket. Right. To make it easier for yourself to get to those connectors in the alternator, we're going to disconnect the coil and remove the coil, remove the oil dipstick, and you're going to have a better access to the alternator connectors. All right, here where everything is beautiful. What I did right here is I removed the bolt that I hold the AC line. Okay, here, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. Now, this line right here, this thing, the line with a pry bar, I push it that way. So you give the alternator, which is about to come out, a better gap. Okay. So the alternator right now is about to come out. The other thing I did is disconnect the power steering. Disconnect it. I put a spark plug in there so it's not leaking. All right, and it's about to come out. Right, I have a better gap here because I pushed the line like I said. Now the alternator is going to come out. We're going to need both hands. The camera is what I need to be. So the alternator came out. This is a new one. Right. It's heavy, bro. Is it heavy or I just didn't eat? I ate lunch. Not that much. There's something that it doesn't match here. Wait. Okay, everything looks... Sounds kind of funny. Like a loose or something. No, that's good. That's good. Alright, just gonna put it back. Now you're gonna put it through here. This line's push it to the side, and now you're gonna have fun. You're gonna have a lot of fun putting it in. Okay. Now everything goes in reverse. Sheesh. It's supposed to take you 1 hour, but who's counting? Who's rushing? Okay. Have fun, guys. Right, let me give you a little rundown of what happened over here. You can also remove the oil dipstick. Okay. I just connect the alternator. Don't put the coil back until you connect these two cables that go to the alternator. Connect those first, and then put the coil back, and what else? Don't forget to put the bolts that hold the AC lines. One here, one over there. The bolt down there is gonna be 14. The one up here is gonna be 12. There's two bolts, one that hold the alternator and another one that hold the bracket. Okay, that bracket is 12 also. Okay, so yeah, I pinch it here so it's not leaking through here. Okay, unless you wanna empty the reservoir, the power steering reservoir first. But if you don't wanna empty the reservoir, just pinch it here like that. You're good to go. Alright, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put the belt back. How it goes. Okay, that's pretty much it. That's the old one right here. Put it on the floor so everybody see it. There you go, thumbnail. This is from the dealership. This is Honda. This is Honda right there. Okay. Yeah. Alright, guys. Hope you like the video. Hope you enjoy. Hope you have fun with this. It's not that serious, though. It's not that serious. You don't even need to lift the car, nothing. It's everything through here. Okay. Now you know how to do it. If you have any questions, just put it in the comment box. You know what I'm saying? Like, share. Okay, you want me to reach more people? Share the video. All right? Share my channel. I got it all there. And thank you for watching. Holla at your boy, Astuo Burun.